And this one I really like. In this painting, you can really see how much painting is like a dance performance, like a stage for dance, because it's so much going on. These trees here, these clouds, this wind here. Oh my God, I love it. I love everything about that painting. It's just like a dance, just like a dance. Rembrandt, similar like Van Gogh, used to paint a lot in black and white, and the color can give a lot of emotion. And like this one, it's like so much drama, so much movement, so much story, so much feeling from that day. And some of the interactive exercises we'll do today will help you to create your own spectacle, and will help you to understand how do you want to move your body and what do you want to paint. So for me, painting and dancing are really the same, and I want to share with you lifetime experience creating movement. The more I learn about painting, the more I see they have a lot in common and how they are the same. Actually, it is very similar way of thinking and very similar way on looking on it. And I thought about the 5 terms or 5 different factors, which are the ingredients of both of the art, painting and dancing. In the class, we have 4 sessions, and on each session, we'll discuss about one of the terms: color, speed, rhythm, gesture, and improvisation. The last one is the combination of all of them. So we will work on improvisation on all of the sessions. So for me, painting is another word for dancing. Painting, it is a dance performance, the spectacle, the composition, a team of several factors. In purpose, I didn't talk about a very important factor named emotion, not because I didn't think about it, but because in my opinion, the most beautiful emotion is this one, which coming naturally. So we will not work on that. We'll work on different things, and hopefully the emotion will come and you will feel this class. I never really like the classes where you have to pretend emotion. Now we are all sad. Now we are all cheerful. So